Hello, welcome to my portfolio project presentation. Here is my portfolio project for React. The idea of this project is a website to share food with neighborhoods and building communities. Our purpose is giving people the opportunity to know how to cook and eat healthy. The entire website is fully responsive, and they have different pages like receipts, and then we will have that and then telling people how to make the foods, and then also telling people who are the pages, and then also the contact us, and then they can just uh, write in a note to us, and also they can follow us with the social medias. And also every pages I add like that sending us the email and sign up for receive the letters from us. And yeah, so also the whole pages like the website is fully responsive as I mentioned it earlier. And then as you can see, if I adjust the viewpoint, and then they would be like that. And then if they back to normal PC viewpoints, the sidebar would be go to the left side. And yeah, and then they will change to vertically or to horizons. And then also the other contents like that would be changed as well. And so the challenge to while I was making this website in React, the first thing I would say, I can't just use SVGs in React, and then like this SVG, this icon is SVG, and then like all these icons. And let me show you how I did it or how I fixed my problems. So in the Bootstrap class, we can just use SVG, something like that for them. And after we move to React, we can just use SVG here. And well, the first time when I used them, my website was very wrong. And then what I have to do is use the icon like a components, and then I for the icon component I create them, but my own is something like that. That would be the index to collect all the icons I make them, and then use the switch case to select which one I want to use them. And then the original one is something like that. And then yeah, so all this information I can get it from SVG website. Yeah, and after that, and then I just input this icon into the components which I want to use it, and then it would be like that right here. Yeah, that's kind of the challenges I make. And then the website, it require continual improve. And yeah, that's almost about it. And thank you for watching.